What we finna do with it right here, we finna start that thing all the way over. You understand me? We out here in College Park. We got young Al fighting mosquitoes over here. Cause it's a bunch of them. And he fanning. Cause he'll swarm you. But that's my bootleg mechanic right there. Now that little bro, he doing his thing out here. But then what we do out here, we got that thing on the motor stand. We should call the Chevy rotisserie. Or you can crank that thing around in a circle. I ain't finna mess with it. In the motor stand. This should be in it right here. But this is the beginning. Continuation phase 2. Just took the heads and the ruffles and everything off. And have all these cleaned up. It's that garbage right here. Got the heads over there. Back 2.3. From going to the shiny crank out. Dun 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 dun. It done been broke down. Got that. That's that garbage. Coming back into the crane room. Comp cams. That's all they need to see right there. See that, man? With the light though. Okay. Comp cams. This the net phase. Finna go and drop that cam, you know. That little bro right there. That's the young one.
Spend about another 5 on the stank. Might walk around and spend about 15, man.
And we'll be back with you. Hey, this is getting back with you. We just got a whole trunk load of stuff. Everything that we're gonna be needing to finish up the job on that Chevy truck. That classes I'm gonna be looking at. I really wanted to give y'all a chance to look at everything that we got, but we couldn't do that. So
where's the fish right now, man?
Exactly. But
like $1,000 worth of stuff right now, man.
When we finish up, we're gonna lay this out for you later on so you can get a look at everything and see what you're working with. Most importantly, see how it runs. But for now, we up out here. We back today. Just finished our trip from Summit. Y'all can see what that block looking like over there from the other night. And we went ahead on and sprayed that thing on down. Cleaned it up, sprayed it on down. As you can see, everything that was in there early, it ain't in there no more. Clean. She ready to go. Got that Chevy orange back on that thing. We can rotate that thing to the side. You should get a look at them. That's that money. That's that money. Still gotta do a little clean on them heads. Get all this deposit off. You know, we're gonna work all that out in just a second. We got when they got the intake, high-rise intake, stage 3. Keep that thing cool. Brand new, fresh out the box. These the purchases we just made this summer. Got a performance timing chain with the double gears on there. Get a little closer, maybe you can see that. Let me see. Let me zoom it out a little bit. Okay, that's a little too close for you. I ain't gonna be able to see with that rubber band in the way. But anyway. Okay, we can see that right there. See them double gears in there? That's what you want. That's that money. So we got the Summit Performance Timing Chain. Just all the performing gadgets that you're gonna need. Got the cams, comp cam, as y'all seen the other night. Same thing, ain't nothing changed. And the even one crank. Ready for that pressure that you gonna put on that Vortec. You see y'all. There go the Eagle. Let me make the Eagle stand up one time for you. So you really gonna need to see it. It's that Eagle. She ready. We got the fresh out the box. The Holly Blue. The Holly Blue fuel pump. Electric. High performance. You see. Fresh out the box. You see what it's looking like now. You know what it is. Brand new, fresh, crispy. I ain't get it out. What we got though? Those are on the valve spring. Brand new, fresh in the box. Comp cam, valve spring. The box ain't even been open yet. Brand new, crispy. Nice and tight. Get you right. That's what you want. So this all like 1.5 phase. Just getting the rest of this stuff. And I'm gonna leave this a little bro and let them do their thing. And we're gonna get back with you. On this Vortec, dropping that thing in there. What you dropping in though? Got the Vortec. Dropping that thing. Well, I got that Vortec, that's all he know. Okay. Just put the high performance piston rings on. Okay. Trying to get them things off in there so that compression will be right. Okay. Got the heads up at the cylinder shop. Getting everything done on them. Make sure they A1. Understand me? That's what we do. Just make sure that everything is everything. We're gonna get back with you after these messages, man. Okay. Today, man. My brother had delayed the pricing. He broke one of my pistons. But I'm just getting this cam together. Putting this engine lube on it, getting it ready. So I just ask you, I'll hold you next, man. Yeah, man, my brother tried to delay my process, man, because he was trying to stall me so he can step his game up. You know, I'm finna bun that ass up once this shit get on the road. I'm gonna drop that cam off in up. We almost there. Play for him. That's it. Okay, then, bro. We back again today. Y'all see them heads freshly redone. Nothing like what you seen earlier. They all the way ready. All the way. What we doing right now, we just putting them head gaskets on. The real deal. Holyfield. See the stamp right up? Stamp right up. Dovers. Dover cylinder head shop. They were freshly done, clean. Got that power put on them. They ready. Got a little brother doing his thing. And I'm talking about we all the way back. And we're gonna get at you. What's happening? What that is? Oh my goodness. Look at that right there, man. That say Master Crizel, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is it what? Is it? Oh my goodness. Look at this Chevy, baby. What that's not, what is that? That is a Cheyenne Super. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh my. That is that. Oh man, let's see what they say. What they say? 350. Oh my goodness. Oh my lamb. Oh my lamb. That's that Chevy, baby. With the Mastercraft with your hating ass. Oh man. Why that thing sparkling like that, man? I'm gonna do one better for you. I crank that shit up and see that thing hit like. This from the inside. Turn it up. Did you hear that? Damn, is that a beast? Not the Ford. Hell no. This Chevy. So where is it? You hear that thing rumbling? Goddamn it, what is that? Is it the rain? Or is it the goddamn Chevy thumbprint like that, man? Yeah.
You can pull out, shout, but that backside got flames on it.
Flame?
Now, they got some snow, so you down to the right. They don't burn out.
Alright. Transmission, man. Going into the MC. Coming out the truck. New motor and transmission going into the LS Luxury Sport, man. They're going down. You know what I mean? They're going down, man. 350. Vortex. You did? 350 motherfucker Vortex. Going down. You step back. Step down. 350 Vortex. You feel me? Big bad boy carburetor, you know, for that scratch, man. For you suckers who want to run up and get done up. We do this from the sun down to the sun up. Dig. 350 Tran, brand new. Everything new. You don't see that block, man. Fresh paint on the block, man. You dig? Young AL, man. You see young nigga out here swing, man. He's out here chilling, man. Volvo 2. You got the truck, got big dollar bill wheel out here, man. Okay.
It's how it is, man.
Hey, man, what the hell that noise is around the corner?
Oh, man, that's all.